If you're looking for women's boots with buckles, here's a collection you've got to see. New and popular 2017 Women's Boots with Buckles Collection. Number 1, Most Popular, by DailyShoes. Watch this video and get inspired. Number 2, by Diva. Number 3, by Suede. For more info about these great women boots, just click the circle. Number 4, by WestCoast. Number 5, by Blvd. Find these women's boots with buckles at up to 70% off by clicking the info circle. Number 6, by DailyShoes. Number 7, by Dream Pairs. Click the circle to find more amazing products and gift ideas. Number 8, by Taupe. Number 9. Discover more women's boots with buckles ideas and items to explore, click the description below. Number 10, by DailyShoes.
Thanks for watching this collection. If you like it, subscribe to our channel.